Hello guys, what's up? What's going on guys? Hoping you guys are doing fine. Did you know that you can make money with your hobby? I don't necessarily mean that you need to have a talent. No, a hobby is something that you enjoy doing. So today guys, I figured out 10 hobbies that many people love to do and how you can make money with them. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first hobby that I know everyone, be it girls, be it boys, like every person loves doing is shopping. You guys, you can maximize this by earning while you're still shopping. So how you can earn with shopping? First of all, you can create a channel or a blog where you give people tips. Many people have not really ventured into this. So if you start your blog where you give people shopping tips and everything, you're going to get a lot of people following you because people really love knowing these tips. And also you can start a channel where you give people where to buy specific things so that people don't go to stroll in town or to waste time. People want guides to everything these days. Another way you can make money with shopping, you can start your own shop. Like you go, when you're shopping, you go shop for your stuff and also shop for your shop, and then you can open a page online, for example Instagram. In this society, I don't know who is not using online to make money. Take advantage of the changing world and start your online shop. Also you can do drop shipping where you get to have an online shop which is not really an active shop, so things don't get spoiled. When someone orders, that is when you deliver the item to them. You can make money with shopping. Another hobby that many people love is cooking. I know you're always cooking each and every day. Some people love to adventure new recipes and everything. If you love doing all that, then you can start your own blog and post your recipes to anything. Nowadays, people are really binge watching cooking shows. Like you can start your YouTube channel and post your videos on different recipes, how to cook different stuff, and you'll make so much money with that. You don't even need to be a professional cook or professional chef. As long as you love cooking, you can show us different things each and every time, or unique recipes. They don't need to be really verified. You can discover your own recipes and showcase. And you're going to make money out of something that you enjoy doing, or, out of your hobby. Another way you can make money through your hobby is writing. If you love writing poetry, I know many people who are poets, but they don't even go outside their comfort zone. You need to use your hobby to make money. So for writers, you can write blogs. You can, lengthen your writing and make it a bit bigger, and then start your own blog and post it there. Once you post consistently, you can also share them on social media platforms. With time, you never know, you can be contacted by big brands to write for them. And also you will get a lot of fans who are willing to pay you to write them poems. I remember I once earned money through writing a poem, of which I was not really a poet. I'm not really passionate about writing poems. But if you really can write, you can do it. You can earn money from whatever you love doing. Another hobby that can help you make money is photography. If you love taking photos, then this one is the best for you. You can earn in two ways. The first way you can earn by photography is you start an Instagram page or a page online where you'll be posting your work. So you'll go to events, post pics of cakes, maybe take pictures of flowers, take pictures of the flower arrangement, and such stuff. Then post them on your page. Put all the hashtags there. With time, you're going to grow. People will even contact you to film for them on events. How else do you think photographers earn? It's that easy. That's how photographers make their money. So if you have a passion for photography, if you love taking pictures, then do it. You can do it. The second way you can earn through photography is selling your photos to blogs. I don't know if you know, but there are those thumbnails that appear, or that image that appears for you to click to read an article. So you can take pictures of maybe natures and stuff like that and then sell them to bloggers. Bloggers really have a hard time to get thumbnails because most of them are usually having a copyright. So if you can do it and sell to bloggers, then you'll be making so much money. You can also sell to YouTubers who do nature videos and stuff like that. Another hobby that can earn you money is through gaming. I once got paid for gaming with Solitaire. So there are so many virtual online games right now. If you love playing games, how to a PS, you know, if you are a gamer, you can earn money right now. Gamers are earning thousands from playing games. Take advantage of the global world. Like right now, people are moving to digital networks and everything. So if you can join tournaments or leagues online, you're going to make so much money. You can choose the type of game you want. You're not limited. As long as you love it and you can do well, you will make so much money. Another way you can make money is through making videos. If you love making videos, if you can take videos of yourself, take advantage of this and start earning from it. Take videos, post them on YouTube. YouTube is a free space for everybody, and the funny thing is that no matter what you post, you're going to get views. Like people here on YouTube watch literally anything. I'm usually astonished when I see some of these things that people post and they get millions of views. You can post even the funniest thing. It doesn't matter the kind of videos you love doing, as long as you can do videos, post them on YouTube. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours, you're going to earn money, guys. And it's so good. Like, you earn from whatever you love doing. Another hobby that can make you money is traveling. I know many people love traveling, but you don't even put a record of what you're doing. Like, write down all the experiences. If you want to make the best out of an hobby, then write all your experiences so that you won't forget them, and then post your experiences. You can do a blog where you post all your experiences. I have seen people who write travel blogs and they are actually given gigs by newspapers to write their experiences. So you can write down your experiences on a blog, or you can also film your experiences and post on YouTube. Many of us who can't travel to those places are going to willingly watch your videos. Another hobby that can make you money is art and craft. People are so creative. If you can do anything creatively, then you should post it. Start filming whatever you're doing and post it online. Maybe on Instagram, maybe on TikTok. TikTok is now a thing, so take advantage of it. You can also post on YouTube. As long as it's unique, even if you take time, as long as you're doing something that you enjoy, I don't think there's any loss for you. Share it with people so that they can also get to be educated, and you're going to earn through that. You never know where your luck is. Another hobby that can make you money is singing. I have seen people who can really sing. If you really love composing your own songs or you love singing, try and make money out of it. I know it's not easy to blow up, but you don't need to blow up. Maybe you can start a page on TikTok, post whatever you do, post your talent there. TikTok is the best platform right now for anyone who wants to, develop their skills or their talents. If you post on TikTok and then one of the videos goes viral, then you're done. You're done, guys. Another way is to also give your music for free to other people to try it. Because if you start charging people right now, yet you're not famous, you're not going to make it. Start by giving people for free to try it so that they will enjoy and, give you the feedback. If that music is so good, you won't even have to struggle. You won't even have to try. It's just going to blow up and you start making money. I have given you 10 hobbies that you can earn money with. Hoping this video was useful. Hoping it has helped someone who has a certain hobby. Comment down below, guys. Tell me which other hobbies I've left out. If you comment, I'll probably look for a job that you can do with that hobby and I'm going to reply it to you, or maybe I'll make another video of more hobbies that can make you money. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, remember to give this video a like, okay? Give this video a thumbs up so that I'll know you guys enjoyed watching this kind of content, and so that I'll give you more of this related content. Yep, until next time, guys, subscribe so that you won't miss on my future videos, which will be more informative than this. I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. In the meantime, bye!